Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. We are here for a new video. Today's video will be organization because how satisfying it is to clean and organize stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. Before anything else, I have to make my matcha since we're organizing today. This will definitely help me to be more motivated and hype me up. This is the fast version of how I make it. So if you want to know more information how I make my matcha, you may click the link at the top right corner and I will also link it down below.
I'm gonna do the things that say let's love each other, find the best of us through love. Let's love each other. Love is only good, so good, oh so good. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I'll take the higher road, 'cause I'm in growing mode. Let's love each other, find the best.
So here's the before look. Again, it looks messy. Even though I know where everything is, I feel like I have so much space somehow that I can maximize the space and use it in my advantage. So time for me to organize it. One of the things that I sometimes do is whenever I pick up the cleaning supplies that I need, after I used it, I will just randomly put it back anywhere under the sink. And that is actually like double the work because at the end of the day, when I do the general cleaning, I will have to reorganize it. So these are the inspiration I took from Pinterest. So definitely it's good to have an inspiration for you to have an idea which one to get and which one to not get. And it will kind of help you build what kind of organization you need. First thing I need to do is to empty the sink. And so when it's empty, I can plan what kind of organizer I will need and definitely will measure before I even buy it. As you can see, there should have been plenty of space, but because we have this two sink at one, where the other one is a garbage disposal, it mostly took this space to under. So if you have this kind of setup under your sink, I definitely recommend that you take time planning and measure how much space you have before you start buying organizers. So you won't have to return it and you just wanted to make sure that it will fit under the sink. Once it's cleared out, I will just wipe the bottom of the cabinet with my multi-purpose cleaner. It's non-toxic, so it's safe for cabinets. Then I have this liner that I will place at the bottom in case something spills, knock on wood, during water leak. Not only it will protect the cabinet, but also it will freshen the look of it. Lining up the organizer will help you picture out where to put them and see if you have enough space for them or not. It's easier to do it before refilling them so you can switch them when you want to. My original plan was to put the caddy in the middle, but it turns out I can switch it with the clear one. And it turns out that this two-tier drawer fits on the right side. Definitely, the over-the-cabinet organizer is a must-have, perfect for this under-the-sink setup. You know you're almost done when it's time to refill these organizers. The purpose of having everything in an organized place is it makes your cleaning routine easier. It's also easy for you to identify which materials or cleaning supplies are you running out of. And it's good when you have someone with you at home because once they memorized where everything is, it's easy for them to spot on things. One thing I also love about organizing is you will see that there are unnecessary stuff that you have that doesn't even belong there. I used to put bleach under the sink, but I don't think this is the right place for it, so I'm moving that to where it belongs. For some reason, having a clean and organized house is very therapeutic to me. It definitely gives me peace of mind. No matter how busy I am, I always make time cleaning. This is just what works for me, and after sorting everything out, I think this is just the materials and cleaning supplies that I think I need for now. I put the dish pods in an airtight container because these are sensitive when it gets wet. So I wanted to make sure that it's in this little container, just as much space for all of them. Anything that I use regularly, I put in the over the cabinet so I can easily grab it and go, and it's also easy to slip it back. This cleaning caddy is a must-have. It's very easy to grab and go, especially when I clean in some parts of the house. Everything that I need is here, and it's also easy to slip it back on. Now let me remind you how messy it is before.